I have started the recording.
You started now? Yeah, please share after
Yeah.
this now. Can I
Yeah,
also
sure, sure.
record?
You will get the recording in the chat section after the session ends. It will be present there for all.
Okay, okay, okay. So, who taught the question? What was his name? Okay, leave
I
it.
used Sharma.
Okay, okay. I see. Have you ever thought? Okay, I'm starting the session now because today is introductory class, and I like this is the most important class. Okay, so it's all about where we are right now. See, in the next 2 days, like 2 + 2 hours, right? I can only teach you 3 to 4 machine learning algorithms, right? In that meantime only. But today, why it's the most important class is where we are right now, where and what's the cutting edge technology right now going in this world. Okay, Elon Musk became the richest person on this planet. How? By his one of his company Tesla, right? How Tesla algorithm works, what are working behind those Tesla autopilot car or self-driving car, you can say. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about each and everything today. So have you ever thought how YouTube algorithm works? Like what's going in behind? Like see, Ayush, uh, have you ever noticed like if you're watching WWE videos, like say your feed of YouTube is filled with WWE videos only, okay, and suddenly you watch 3 to 4 movies or trailers or anything different from other than WWE. So have you ever noticed that YouTube start recommending you that kind of videos also? Has
Yes,
anybody
sir.
noticed? Write in the chat. Has
There is
anybody noticed?
many types of algorithms and data types are working
Yeah,
behind it.
yeah. So that's what we call recommendation system. Okay, that's a part of machine learning, deep learning. Okay, I'm gonna tell you each and everything. Okay, almost in these 2 hours. So that's a part of deep learning or machine learning, you can say. And that's what we call recommendation system. How Facebook recommends you your friend. Like earlier they don't used to recommend you using recommendation system. It was developed by in this meantime after 2015 2016. Okay, how Netflix algorithm works, that's also recommendation system. Just try to watch one action movie or two action movie, okay, in Netflix, and the third thing they will recommend you is an action movie, another action movie. Just watch two Avengers movie and you will get another Avengers movie recommendation. Okay, that's like how they work. So if you are asking, Ayush, right? If you are asking, is it beneficial? It's the future. Machine learning is the future because Google is putting everything in a machine learning. Okay, like I'm gonna tell you like what's the cutting edge technology right now. Even in medical field, how in the medical field you're gonna use machine learning. And one more thing, if any bad person, okay, if any thief, you can see, if any thief like Hrithik Roshan of Dhoom 2 learns machine learning now, and if he finds the cutting edge technology and if he able to break through it, then trust me, he gonna be like he's gonna be a superhuman. Okay, so let me share my screen and um let me start like from the very beginning where we are right now, where you all are right now, like where I was just 2 years ago. Okay, I was started 2 years ago. Okay, where I was and where like what's the current technology right now in this world. Okay, so that you can compare how much path you need to travel. Okay, so and I'm going to tell you about Tesla, I'm going to tell you about OpenAI. Like how many people have heard about YOLO? Just asking. Okay, I'm going to tell you about this also. YOLO object detector, how many people have heard about? Just write in the chat. YOLO, YOLO. I or Pratibha is writing. Okay, and Pratibha ma'am, yes, Sir Ramakrishna ji, okay, is also guest. Everyone guest, I think. And how many people have heard? Two. Yes, I have got. Okay, how many people have heard about very recent thing, GPT-3? GPT-3. Okay, just asking. I'm going to tell you about this also. So, like, yeah, okay. No, okay, yes, Niket is saying yes, I heard. Okay, so today's class is very important, super important. Okay, because the next two class you can learn from anywhere. Okay, YouTube, Udemy course like machine learning algorithms, how they work. Okay, but today the whatever I'm going to tell you is super important, because then you can compare, right? How much travel, how much path you have right now, how much you need to travel, how much you want to travel, basically in where, in which field you want to go. Do you want to go in data science, machine learning, deep learning, data analysis, or data mining, or where, right? Data science is booming right now. Okay, so let me just share my screen and open share tray. Mm, okay. Your entire screen, application window, no, and in Chrome tab, what is this? I don't know. Okay, all right. You only live once. No, no, no. You only live. The thing, it's only you only look once. Okay. You all are able to see my screen, right, in the
Yeah,
chat?
visible.
Okay, na? Okay, all
Yes.
right. Huh. So where you are right now, okay, and the current trend is like, I guess if you continue like learning now, so you will reach 2 years, like I think 1.5 or 2 years it will take to reach where we are right now in this cutting edge technology, or you can say like state of the art. Okay, so I'm just gonna, and I'm just gonna keep everything simple. Okay, I'm not gonna uh, say anything complex. Right now, let's say you are all starting. Okay, all are starting, or mostly, right? Any one language you all are familiar. Language is just a tool. Language is just a tool. Okay, but right now, most of the people, like most of the machine learning libraries are made using like made for Python, you can say, made using C and C++, but mostly for Python. R. How many people have heard about R? Yeah, Chetan is in Python. Yeah, mostly are in Python. It's good to be in Python right now because it has the largest community to help you. R. How many people have heard about R? Language is just a tool. Okay, language is just a tool. No, nothing else. Okay, but it's better to learn right now. It's better to learn Python. Okay, like for the next 5 years, I can guarantee you. Heard about R? Okay. Hmm. So, okay, okay, all right. Okay, okay, all right. So you have Swift, many other JavaScript, one of the most popular right now. Okay, JavaScript, Java, they both are different. Okay, their difference is just like a car and a carpet. Okay, so they are very different. Just name is confusing. And you have some C and C++, very important. Okay, all the libraries are made using this for this. Okay, so right now any language you can use. Let's say you are learning Python. Okay, let's just say. So let me just save from anywhere. um, path 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 to you can say anything, path to ML or DL or AI. Okay, just giving name, nothing else. So let's say you are learning Python right now. Okay, now after this, what you just need to do, okay, and I'm gonna give you guidance where you just need to reach. Okay, where we all are right now, okay, in this world. And then after this, you're gonna learn advanced thing, advanced Python with and you know, data structures also. Okay, very important data. Sorry for spelling mistake. I'm not looking in my keyboard right now. Data structures, and then you can start your, see, after making some projects in Python, okay, or in any language, but let's say Python, after making some projects, okay, like you know, tic tac toe or snake game or anything. Okay, after becoming good in any one language, you can start your ML journey. Okay, ML journey using, how many people have learned know about, how many people have learned, or how many people know about sklearn library, sklearn, or you can say scikit-learn. They both are like same name. How many people know about this? Okay, yeah. This is developed by I hopefully this is developed by Google. It contains all the machine learning algorithms. Okay, I'm gonna teach you using this library. Those 4 to 5 algorithms, how much I can teach, I will try. Okay. Using this library, ML using sklearn or scikit-learn. Okay. How many machine learning library you have right now? Like if you just say machine learning algorithms, library, sorry, not library just like sklearn. Okay. How many machine learning algorithms? Library is just this. Okay. So let's say, okay, first of all, what is machine learning? Okay, how many types of machine learning? Let me silence my mobile, guys. 1 minute. Um, okay. What is the type of machine learning? Okay, supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Okay, and deep learning is different. Okay, deep learning is different. So anyone know about these types? Like I am not asking you the codings. Okay, I am just asking you how many people are just know, have ever heard about supervised, unsupervised reinforcement. Just let me know how many people have just heard about. Anyone? Write in the chat. Okay, okay, heard. Okay, got it. See, there are basically three kind of, or there are many kind of machine learning. Okay, supervised. What is supervised? You become supervisor, you can say. Okay, like in supervised we have two types, classification and regression. The difference between supervised is we have two things, like we have two things. Let me just um, give me 1 second. Any project we have, see, like say iris flower classification. Okay, the most basic project in machine learning. So see, these three flowers, okay, these three flowers are very identical. Okay, they are the family of iris. Okay, they are three brothers, you can say, versicolor, setosa, virginica. You can't differentiate between them. Okay, you can't differentiate between them with just your open eyes. Okay, there are some parameters only you can differentiate between these three. Okay, and the parameter is simply this: petal length, sepal length, petal width, and sepal width. Okay, and see, these are the features. Okay, and these are the class labels. That's how machine learning classification or regression works. Okay, supervised learning. Supervised means we are the supervisor, means we tell machine learning algorithm, that model, that this is the labels. Okay, we are supervising it. We are telling that if any flower comes under this range, okay, 5.1, sepal width 3.5, petal length 1.4, petal width 0.2, then this is setosa. If it is coming under this 6.4, 3.5, 4.5, 1.2, okay, then it is versicolor. Or it is 5.9, 3.0, 5.0, 1.8, then it is virginica. Okay, so we are supervising it. And what else? Okay, we are supervising it. Okay, so this comes under classification project. This comes under classification. Okay, image classification or any text classification, classifying between multiple or some amount of this is classifying between some categories. Okay, classifying between these three flowers. Okay, what is how many people understood? Just let me know how many people understood. Everyone, right? How many people understood the classification? Classifying between dogs versus cats also. Okay, like I made, like this is the most basic project. How many people just understood? Let me know. Okay, and I'm going to tell you many things like cats versus dogs. How many people, like, see, sorry, like we can even differentiate between images. Okay, so how many people understood? Like, okay, what is classification? Understood. Everyone, right? Because like almost more than 30-40 people have joined, right? So just write 30. Okay, yeah, just write. Understood? Only 4.
Sir, my chatbot box is not working.
Sorry.
B2.
Sir, chat box is not working.
Oh, I don't know what's the problem. Okay, so sorry, because I'm using this software for the first time. So all right. Okay, let's go to regression. Okay, I'm gonna tell you one project of this classification. Okay, tomorrow or like in this next 2 days, and one for regression and one for unsupervised learning. Okay, because in the next 4 hours, tomorrow too, and the next day after tomorrow too, I can only teach that much only. Okay, regression. What is regression? Okay, classification, it's just that. Okay, what is regression? See, anything that changes with respect to time comes under regression. Okay, in this classification, dogs will not going to change into elephant or cats with the time. Okay, it's simple. Regression, in the regression project, like see, weather will change with respect to time. Stock market will change with respect to time. Okay, human life will change with respect to time. That all comes under regression. Let me just tell you. Okay, we are with this, you gonna start your machine learning journey. Okay, um do I where I have that project, most probably I don't know. Well, all right. Okay, all right, but this comes under regression. Okay, stock market, bitcoin prices prediction, restaurant price prediction, or restaurant revenue prediction. Revenue. Okay, you can even predict the revenue. Okay, data science, salary prediction. Only if I can um, no, sorry. Do I need to write project? Let me try, or I'll show you. Okay, see, you can even do this kind of salary prediction also. Okay, if that person is having this much of experience, years, 2 years, 4 years, 6 years, 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, how much salary he can get? You can train your model according to that. Okay, that if any person is having 2 years of experience, then he should get 20,000 salary, then 40,000 with increasing 60, 80, 100 and 1 lakh, and like this. Okay, and now your model will learn this pattern. Okay, your model will learn this pattern, right? So now if you, after training, if you just deploy your model in anywhere, right, and if you just like just want to ask your model like how much salary a person of 3.5 years of experience should get, your model will just give the output. Okay, it's the regression. It's the regression. And as it is using labels, why target, okay, it comes under supervised learning. It's simple. Okay, so anything which is using labels to understand the patterns, it comes under supervised learning. And classification is category wise. Regression is just the, like, depends on a particular variable or time. Okay, variable or time. This salary depends on another variable called years of experience or time. Okay, this is supervised learning. Let's say unsupervised learning. Okay, let me ask any doubt regarding this? Any doubt regarding this?
No.
And anyone write in the chat? Okay. I don't think nobody is having doubt. Okay, no doubt, no doubt. Okay, all right. Okay, okay. Regression. Oh, sorry, unsupervised learning. Okay. Dimensionality reduction, and clustering. Don't look after that right now. Unsupervised learning. Okay. What is unsupervised learning? Means you are not supervising the model. Okay. You are not giving any label to the model. Then how model gonna know what is dog, what is cat, what is salary price? Okay. How model gonna know? Right, if you're not telling the model that this is dog or this is cat, we are not supervising, we are not teaching, then how model gonna know, right? So that comes under supervised learning. Means what model gonna do, like say unsupervised learning, or you can say example. Okay, I hope I can find. So okay, see. Mm, okay, see. So in supervised learning, we tell model that this is apple, this is carrot, and this is something. I think pineapple. Okay. But in unsupervised learning, we don't tell model anything. Okay, this is apple, this is this is this. What model will say, okay, what model will look is the pattern. That apple is something like red color and in circles kind of shape. Okay, pineapple is in yellow color, it is in this shape. Carrot is in this shape. Okay, it will analyze the pattern, it will understand the patterns. Okay, and it will later on differentiate. If you just give after the training, okay, model will just understand, oh, dogs look like this, cats look like this. Okay, it doesn't know the name. Okay, it doesn't know of course model doesn't know, like that we call this fruit apple, right? Model doesn't know, it will give its own name. Okay, whatever. Then if you just give your model like what is this fruit, then it can easily, or if you just give bunch of fruits, then your model will differentiate between them. Okay, that's all. Anything, any task which you don't have any labels, it's come under unsupervised learning. And supervised is simple, you do have labels to train. Okay, reinforcement is like another big thing. Okay, like where we are right now, where we are, game, AI, skill. Okay, this is a very interesting topic. As I told you, introduction class, this is an introduction class, but the most important one, because I'm going to tell you the future. Okay, like where you just need to go in the next 2 years. Okay, here, like robot navigation, game, AI, skill acquisition, learning task. Okay, now whew, and of course I'm going to tell you about like deep learning also. Like so how many people had heard about RNN, recurrent neural network, or self-learning neural network? Neural network means the part of deep learning. How many people have heard about? I told you about the basics of machine learning. Okay, now I'm gonna take you to the Tesla, to everything, GPT-3, to everything. Like how many people have heard about self-learning neural network? Anyone? Okay, I don't think anyone. So let me just go ahead. Give me one more,
I
guys.
have heard.
Okay, you have heard now. Okay, all right. So it's all right. Give me 1 minute now. So see, okay. See where we are right now. Where we are right now. Okay, there's something called RNN, the most researched topic, one of the most researched topic. Okay, it's a part of deep learning. There is a machine learning. Let me just tell you machine learning algorithms. Okay, machine learning. Let me just directly go machine learning algorithms. Okay, machine learning algorithms. Okay, see, there are various kind of machine learning algorithms. Where to use machine learning, where to use deep learning. Okay, the like frequently asked, one of the most frequently asked questions. I'm not able to get that image which I used to show. Okay, see, it's like there are basically 8 to 10 machine learning algorithms: linear regression, logistic, decision tree, support vector machine, Navy Bayes, KNN. Okay, K means for unsupervised learning, and random forest. Like top 8 most popular machine learning algorithms. Okay, and then we come to deep learning. Okay, before going to RNN, let me just go to deep learning. Okay, the real, like this image is very important. Deep learning is just a part of machine learning. After all, deep learning is just another algorithm. Okay, so deep learning, which doesn't actually look like this. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how does it look like. But we make lots of neurons, like the neurons in your brain, right? So we make lots of neurons and we train our model, and pattern recognition and everything happens between this. Okay, this is like single layer neuron. This is deep learning. Okay, like many layer of neurons called deep learning neural network. Okay, which has many number of layers. My mouse pad is not working, not much. Okay, so this is one of the more this is the one of the most important machine learning algorithm. Like it's another machine learning algorithm, you can say. And where to use other machine learning algorithms and where to use deep learning? Can anybody tell me where to use machine learning algorithms and where to use deep learning? Write in the chat if anybody knows. Then I'm gonna tell you. Oops. Okay, no one. See, it's simple. When data is used, yes, Pratibha is right. When data is huge, DL can be used. Huge means in text data, if you have huge number of rows, like say millions of data. Okay, in this iris prediction, this iris one, okay, it just have 150 of rows. Okay, so you can use machine learning algorithm. Okay, and deep learning will not even work good. It will work, but not even like deep learning. Of course, if you are making neural network, you should give good amount of data. So if you have thousands of data or millions of data, you should use that deep learning. Okay, and if you have just this much amount of data or even some thousand, then you can use machine learning algorithm. It's simple. Deep learning will also work good for images like this, cats versus dogs. Okay, my almost like the basic one, but the most favorite. Okay, cats versus dogs. Sorry for this image. So machine learning algorithm doesn't have that much features, that much ability. Okay, right now I'm gonna use ability word. Machine learning algorithms doesn't have that much ability to understand all these things. Okay, because it doesn't have much features. In deep learning, we have I'm not able to pronounce the CNN. Okay, convolutional neural network. Okay, I always fail to pronounce that. That provide many things to understand this image. Okay, and the data is huge. Okay, image data is always huge. So in this case, in the cases of images mostly, we use CNN. That is a part of deep learning. Okay, that is another structure of deep learning, you can say. Okay, CNN deep learning. Okay, like in text data, we can use ANN, artificial neural network. Okay, don't get confused much. Like just go with the flow. Okay, see, convolutional neural network. Okay, it will take an input data like this image, let's say cat. It will take. Okay, so deep learning provide this much feature to understand the images also. Machine learning doesn't. Okay, because we have many things like ReLU pooling, which you don't need to understand right now. Okay, deep learning doesn't sorry, machine learning doesn't have this feature of pooling, ReLU, flatten, softmax. Okay, so that's why in images mostly we don't use deep learning. Okay, so for text, this text, you can use machine learning algorithms and you can use neural networks also. Okay, and for the images, you need to use a special kind of neural network called convolutional neural network. Okay, and whenever I am saying neural network, you can say deep learning. Okay, so deep learning neural network, it's simple. It's a neural network. Simple, you can use in text data. Okay, and in deep learning, you can use like you have many things. So you can use text data also. And if you have images, you can use this special thing, convolutional neural network. Okay, for the images. You have one more thing called RNN, apart from CNN, called RNN. This is the most searched topic. How many people understood about this? Like whatever I just told you about deep learning and machine learning. because now we are going forward. And how many people understood? Let me know. If any doubt, you can ask me. Unmute you. You can unmute yourself. Because to know like where you need to go, it's very important, right? Otherwise, you will go like a headless chicken. Understood? Okay, right, everybody? Right. So, any doubt, guys? Should I go ahead? Like, I need to tell you about RNN. RNN. Then I'm gonna tell you about YOLO, GPT-3. That is a product by OpenAI. That is comes under, you can say, Elon Musk. Okay, and how Tesla model works, I'm gonna tell you about each and everything. Okay, so now I'm going ahead. I hope you don't have any doubt. Okay, in like if you don't understand like CNN and ANN, it's all right. Okay, what was important that you understood machine learning and deep learning, like where we use and all. Okay, it's the starting. So now I'm going to RNN. Okay, what is RNN? Can anybody tell me what is RNN? Let me just ask you first. What is RNN?
Full form.
Mm-hmm.
We just have to tell
It's
full form.
recurrent neural network.
Neural network. Yeah, recurrent neural network. What she was saying also?
I'm saying I have to tell full form or fully.
Uh,
What is RN?
your wish?
Okay. RNN is a class of artificial neural network ANN
हाँ
और ये फीड फॉरवर्ड न्यूरल नेटवर्क होता है, उससे डिराइव्ड होती है
हाँ
और इसको इंटरनल स्टेट मेमोरी में भी, मतलब जो इंटरनल स्टेट मेमोरीज होती है उसमें भी यूज किया जा सकता है
हाँ
और दिस मच और मे बी आई एम नॉट
ऑल राइट इतना कुछ पता है ये ऑलरेडी आपको हेड स्टार्ट मिला है. मैं जो ट्रेनिंग दे रहा हूँ ना, ये अभी मैं सोचा लाइक व्हाट आई थॉट अबाउट दिस 2021. It's called
Yes.
head start training, like just to give you head start. You know, head start means, kind of boost. Head start
yeah.
training, yeah. So just giving you boost. Of course, I can teach you only 4 to 5 machine learning algorithms in the next 2 days. But to
Yes.
tell you all these things, it will give you boost, of course, so that you can reach or you can go little more faster. Or after all, your journey has started of ML, right? So it is similar to how human brain works, of course. Okay, what is RNN? Recurrent neural network. Recurrent, you can just search like recurrent neural network. It learns from its mistake. Okay, like it's a robot kind of thing. Okay, like humans learns from mistakes, right? Like mostly we don't. Okay, but it learns from its mistake. It is used in self-driving car also, in robots. Okay, it is used in natural language processing. It is used in stock market prediction also. Like in stock market, it is learning from its mistakes, right? Like okay, if I give this much of money in the stock market, if I get fail, then yes, it will learn. Okay, recurrent neural network. It is like very hot thing and very like whew. so so there is three things basically. Okay, again in deep learning or neural network. Okay, net network. uh, okay, and neural network, when you make huge amount of neural network na, huge neural network, okay, huge neural network, then it is called deep learning. Okay, it is called deep learning. Okay, deep learning neural network, you can say. Okay, that's just a difference. So in neural network or deep learning, we have ANN to work with text data. Okay, to work with text data. Okay, simple neural network we can make. We have CNN to work with images. text data, you can work with other ML algorithms, which I show na, those top 8 machine learning algorithms. You can work with this also, okay, for text data only. And if you have robots kind of thing, okay, or anything which requires to learn constantly, okay, consistently, basically you have RNN, okay, or learning. I'm just writing learning, okay. So now, okay, understood, okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, all right. I go. Can we also say that we use ML where we find mathematical patterns? You can use DL also there. Okay, like it's not about mathematical patterns. Machine learning and or deep learning are made for that, to understand that pattern. Okay, it's just that to work with text data like this, you can use ANN also, simple neural network, which is having one layer only, one or two layer. Okay, and you can apply machine learning algorithms also. If you have images, then you apply CNN, because CNN provides many features to understand images. Okay, you can use ML algorithms also, but it will not work good because it doesn't have features to understand images. Or if you have something like this, like robots and all, then you can go for that. Okay, so okay, so no more question. Then I'm gonna tell you about the hot trending topics right now. Okay, which is GPT-3, YOLO. Hey, you know what? In 2020, okay, it was not good year for like everyone, you can say, but it was one of the best year for machine learning or deep learning or AI, you can say. Okay, I just say whatever name I get in my mouth. So for the field of artificial intelligence, okay, one more thing, anybody is thinking about like, then what is AI if it is machine learning and deep learning? Okay, what is parts of AI? Then let me tell you, AI is yet to develop. Yes, AI is yet to develop. Okay, AI is yet to develop. Under AI, we have machine learning, and under that, deep learning is, of course, it's just another algorithm, right? So that's why we say machine learning, and it's a deep learning is just a part of machine learning. Okay, it's just another algorithm. AI is fully yet to develop, and what we call AI now is like, you know, the robot film, Chitty the robot, that we can say AI. Okay, that, or Jarvis, that we can say fully developed AI. Okay, so AI is yet to develop that. Okay, so this is just general AI what we are talking. Okay, that's all. So okay, I'm seeing, actually I'm observing here that some people I think having some internet problem, I think regular left leaving and just joining. So hope they are not missing much in between them, in between meantime. Okay, so I told you about this all AI, machine learning, deep learning. Okay, now your journey will start from here. Okay, let me close this. Your journey will start from here. Okay, from this ML using SQL. Okay, which I will start your journey. Then you can learn deep learning. Okay, deep learning using Keras library, basic one. TensorFlow, Keras is a part of TensorFlow, you can say. Okay, TensorFlow, PyTorch. How many people have heard about anyone? There is another deep learning library called Cafe, but no, like very few people use. These three are the most, you can say. Keras is a part of TensorFlow right now in TensorFlow 2.0. I'll tell you more. Okay, how many people anyone have heard about this? Just write in the chat. Let me just see. Heard about all? Okay, heard about all.
I also.
Okay. I'm gonna tell you about each and everything right now. Okay. Me. Okay. Huh. Okay. So see, deep learning libraries. You can start from Keras. Okay. Deep learning libraries in Python or whatever, like, because most of the deep learning libraries are made for Python or machine learning libraries. So you have TensorFlow. Keras is a part of TensorFlow. Okay, in TensorFlow 2.0, they have integrated Keras. Keras is a very beginner friendly library of deep learning. Okay, and it's the most easiest one. sklearn is for machine learning. Okay, fully machine learning. Keras and TensorFlow, and you have this PyTorch. TensorFlow is developed by Google. I don't know why they have written pandas. Pandas is very different than NumPy. Okay, they are not. They are very different. Okay, they are not machine learning deep learning. TensorFlow is developed by Google and PyTorch is developed by Facebook. Okay, and TensorFlow versus PyTorch if you search. Right now, PyTorch is PyTorch is giving huge competition to TensorFlow. Okay, like see Google search trends. The orange one is PyTorch, in between 6 like 13 June 2020. The data you can see. PyTorch is giving huge competition right now. Okay, they both are gaining their market. PyTorch is just gaining like this. Okay, so whatever you are seeing in the Google, okay, whatever it is recommending this, whatever it is doing in the field of deep learning, machine learning, it is using TensorFlow, and whatever is going on in Facebook. PyTorch is developed by Facebook. PyTorch is developed by Facebook, I think. Yeah, I hope I'm not wrong. Sorry. PyTorch, Facebook AI research. Always go for this Facebook AI research because they are doing so awesome job now in this in the field of AI. They are doing awesome job. Okay, so PyTorch. So now Tesla car. Tesla uses this deep learning library called PyTorch. Okay. So this is your journey for the next 1.5 year, 2 year. Okay. Learn Python. Okay. Like Python, because most of the library it has advanced Python data structure and all. Then I'm going to tell you about this machine learning. Okay. Like 4 to 5 algorithms using sklearn. Make some good amount of projects. I'm gonna give you some good amount of projects. Like I'm gonna give you a link, like where you have lots of projects of machine learning, deep learning. You can practice that. I'm always there for guidance. Okay, you can contact me anytime. And then you're gonna start your deep learning library after machine learning. Just gonna start deep learning with Keras or TensorFlow or PyTorch, whatever you want to learn. My recommendation is to go for Keras. Okay, Keras. Then you can jump to TensorFlow, and of course TensorFlow also has Keras. Okay, with just some more advanced features. Okay, or you can then after you can learn PyTorch. Okay, you don't need to learn Cafe. Let me just remove this. Okay, these three. Okay, and make good amount of projects like like in images and text data. Then you can go to RNN. You can go to like NLP. How many people have heard about natural language processing? Natural language processing, let me know. Heard, okay. Oops. Anyone else?
I have heard.
Okay. Heard. Okay. Natural language processing. See, natural language processing is simple. Of course, machine is and it like there is two things. Okay, in machine NLP basically. First is NLU, natural level understanding. Okay, natural level understanding, and there is one more thing called NLG, natural level generation. or natural language generation. Natural language understanding, natural level generation. Of course, you can just know by the name that first one will understand your language, second one will generate it. You like the most use case is chatbot. Okay, chatbot, one of the most researched thing right now. And if you mix these two, RNN and NLP, to make chatbot, trust me, your future, like you will get many job offers. Because see, RNN and NLP, to understand, see, of course, chatbot will make a lot of mistake. Like chatbot will make lots of mistakes. So to correct those mistakes, you will need RNN, right? Recurrent neural network, that will basically teach your chatbot to not to make mistakes. You will need RNN. Okay. So after this two, you can go for this one. Okay. And okay, that was about NLP. So, and now where mm, okay. Now I've told you about Tesla. Okay, it uses PyTorch libraries. So if you learn like till here, then see, this is your journey. Okay, like we have reached here, self-driving car, and self-driving car also uses RNN because to learn, right? Let me tell you about one YouTuber. How many people know Centedex? How many people know Centedex?
I do.
Yeah, they like he's my favorite. He's super my favorite. Okay. Always best to learn like GTA 5 self-driving series. If you just go like this, okay. Self-driving neural network car in GTA 5. This person has made. Like it's and it uses RNN. Okay, and yeah, in real world, this technology is actually has been used by, of course, with some more modifications, but this is all about like he's actually teaching self-driving, like how to make self-driving car using like in using neural network with basically RNN. Okay, and you can learn from here. So this is your path. So now let me tell you more about like see 2020 research paper. See, like 2020 was one of the most awesome scientific papers or in AI. I had that in bookmarks, I think. A year full of amazing AI papers. I don't have that thing. I think I do have in the bookmarks. All right, leave it. Okay. So 2020, in 2020, where we reached AI papers to read, or I think no. Okay, all right. So in 2020, we got this YOLO V4 version 4. Okay, what is YOLO? Here, YOLO object detection. Sorry, object detection. I should write fully. YOLO object detection. Okay, to detect object. It is also used in self-driving cars. Of course, we need to detect objects, right? Person, this and that. Okay. So after learning till here, you can say where it is. You can say till here images CNN. Okay, you can directly go to. You can directly learn YOLO kind of thing. Okay, because this all comes under CNN. To understand images, videos, right? YOLO. Okay, this is for NLP and all. Okay, for RNN is for mostly for NLP. So YOLO you can learn. Okay, object detection. YOLO V4 is the like right now state of the art. Okay, YOLO V4 is right now the state of the version 4. Okay, they have come up with version 1, version 2, version 3 in 2018, I think, and then version 4 in 2020. Okay, and GPT-3. What is GPT-3? OpenAI. OpenAI is a company created, or what I say, founded by Elon Musk. Okay, if you just like search OpenAI founders, So OpenAI founders, yeah, later on joined by Elon Musk, I think, yeah, inside OpenAI, later on joined by Elon Musk. Okay, so they have developed GPT-3. Okay, and GPT-3, see why they are saying that, why they are saying that website developers' jobs right now are in danger because of GPT-3. Can anybody tell me why website developers' job is in danger because of GPT-3? Anybody have any idea? Because I'm going to tell you. This is where we have reached in the 2020. 2021 just started. We have reached here 2020. Okay, so you will take almost 2 years to reach here. Okay, and of course, next one more year to reach like wherever we will be in 2023. Anybody have idea how GPT-3 works? Or I'm not asking about the mathematics. I'm asking about the general thing. It will create everything just a simple way, I guess. You are guessing correctly. Anyone else? See, some people are leaving and joining again. I guess cause of internet connection. So I'm afraid that they are missing many things. Okay, so please watch the recordings after that also. Okay, because those who are just leaving and joining, okay, cause of internet thing. Okay, so yeah, it will create everything just a simple way, I guess, possible. Okay, so okay, all right. So where GPT-3? Okay, see, in GPT-3, if you just write now GPT-3, I'm not searched works working. GPT-3 working. I have not searched. I've not ever searched like website development. Let me just search, or I will tell you just like this: website development. I'm sorry about the mistakes, spelling mistake. Okay, see, earlier you used to write this much of code, like not this much, but of course lots of code, but like this. Okay, now if you just tell like this, okay, like this, just like this, if you just tell GPT-3, you need a search box, and if you press the button generate, it will make this kind of thing. It will not make Google. Okay, you just need to write Google also here. It will generate this for you. So earlier you used to write hell lots of code. Now you don't have to write. Here we have reached. Okay, this is state of the art in 2020. What is state of the art means? The most best technology right now, you can say. Okay, so this is where we have reached, and here you are starting. Okay, so don't panic. Take your time, learn everything. Okay, I told you about YOLO GPT-3. Yeah, how can I forget GAN? Anyone heard about GAN? Wait, not gun. GAN tech face. Yeah, Bhagwan. Okay. GAN. How many have heard about GAN? Generative Adversarial Network. Anyone?
I have.
You have. Okay. Anyone else? This is the current thing in 2020, and I have worked in GAN, Generative Adversarial Network. Okay. One more S. Okay. So, okay, let me tell you about this. What is GAN? What if I tell you, not this, but most folks, okay. Can anybody tell me, like, this is a fake?
Sir, it is a class of machine learning.
What?
It is a class of machine learning.
Yeah, you can say, because like everything in machine learning, you can say, right? Because machine is making, like the model is making this. What if I tell you they are not real humans? Even I have worked on this technology. Okay, you can go through the mathematics and the structure behind it. Okay, They are not real humans. They are not real humans. This is generated by machine learning. Okay, and I told you in the beginning that anybody like Ritik Roshan of Doom 2 knows about this technology. He can actually, like, I have some evil things in my mind, and trust me, like, see, fake faces. Okay, fake paintings, GAN fake paintings. Let me just tell you, GAN fake paintings. Okay. Okay. Fake paintings, you can say. I think for is it GAN? I'm not sure, but see, this is fake paintings generated by AI. Means it's looking really like a real paintings, but it is generated by AI. Those GAN. If you just search generative adversarial network or research paper or GAN, whatever you want to search. Okay. Understanding generative adversarial network. Okay, structure you can see. It's simple. In the next 2 days, now I'll tell you many things. Okay. See, structure is not given. I think. I hope they have given. No, they are just given. Okay. One in the GAN, one is generator to generate fake images, and one is discriminator. Okay. So it's like this is the architecture. So I'll tell you more. So this is GAN, and this is where we are right now. Okay, in GPT-3, in YOLO for the image processing, for NLP, GPT-3, for even this kind of crazy things, like GAN. Okay, we are here. Style transfer, like GAN style. This is the most current best thing right now. Okay. Yeah, style transfer is C. Style transfer. One photo of Steve Jobs, and if you put this kind of painting, if you give your model to do this, it will do this. Style transfer, transferring the style. Okay. See this waterfall. If you give this, it will transfer this one. Okay. It's all about GAN. Whew. Now till here, till here, how many people can give me a good feedback? Good feedback means how many people just tell me they know, they got to know very new things today. The path. Okay, I hope I gave you some amount of value. I added some amount of value. Just let me know the feedback
Yes,
right now. Yeah.
by listening this, we are think that it is very much interesting.
Yeah, this field is very much interesting. And write the feedbacks, please. Anyone more? Till then, let me drink water. सब सो गए क्या? Anyone having question? It seems to be very interesting and inform. Yes. And any question? I think, or anything you want to know, because today is introductory class. So okay, one question I want to ask: can we start using like installing Python? Because I think I told you about like where we are and from where you need to start. Can we start? Like, let's start Python. Yeah, let's start so that we don't waste tomorrow's time. Okay, because I just told you where we are and where current technology is. Okay, path you need to travel. Okay, 2 years it will take. To reach Tesla, to reach GPT-3. Data science field. How can I forget data science field? Okay, it's all about data. You all know, no, that now WhatsApp gonna give information all the data to Facebook also. Okay, recent thing yesterday I think it came. Okay, it changes its policy and now your data is with Facebook also. It's all about data science field. Okay, so I will
Sir,
tell
it will
you.
share with Instagram also.
Yeah, because everything is owned by Mark Zuckerberg, right? So let's start Python and one more field which you can go data and science, of course, and data analysis. I'll tell you more. Okay, in these 2 days, I'm going to tell you many things, many things. Okay, so can we start? Can we start? How many people are there?
Yes.
25.
Yes.
Yeah. And after this, just drop the message that was the recording because we need to install the Python. Okay, so let me just close my tabs and we are going to install Python. Okay. Jupyter. I think I should tell you about this. Okay, there are many IDs for Python: PyCharm, Visual Studio, Jupyter. The best thing about for data science. Okay, like because it has many cells to run. See, one thing is data science. Let me tell you about one thing, data science. Okay. What happened? What? Oh, sorry. I have not run this server for Jupyter. Just give me 1 minute, and there you go. Can anybody tell me how many COVID-19 cases gonna happen till March? 10 minutes. I'm gonna give you more introduction for data science right now. Data science is a very useful. Can anybody tell me? Give me any number. How many cases gonna happen till April or March? Any idea? Because I have predicted. Right now in this world, we are dealing with how many COVID cases? 140 million. Aniket, are you following me in Instagram? Because I posted there. Okay, right now in this world, COVID-19 cases in this world, whole world, uh, worldwide. Okay, we are dealing with worldwide 89 million case. 89 million case means 8 crore 90 lakh or almost 9 crore million 9 crore cases. Okay, 89 million. In that 5 crore people have been recovered and unfortunately, what do you say? Uh, one Almost 20 lakh, okay, have been diseased. So with your prediction only, yeah, I posted this on my Instagram. Okay, see, my model is working so accurate now that I've even posted a video. Okay, I'll give you the link. You can learn. This is a time series, a part of regression. Those supervised under regression. This is a time series using FB Prophet. This is also developed by Facebook. Okay, you can, like, with respect to time, this is time, of course, date is also time, right? With respect to time, how many people are going to recover, and it comes under, and of course this is a data and it comes under data science. Okay, so see, my model has worked so well that, see, I was having data set till 6 December and I predicted that till 5 January 2021. Okay, how many cases gonna happen? Or what is today? 9 January. Let's see. Okay, 9 January. See, it has predicted till April. Okay, April also. But let's see for 9 January. Okay, I did earlier. 9 January 2021. 82 million lower, 85 maximum, 79 on an average. Okay, 9 January. 89, almost touched. Almost touched. Okay, so see, that's, and till April, my birthday, 16 April 2021. around 130 crore. Sorry, 130 crore, 130 million, 13 crore, or 14 crore, 148 million cases. I think I'm looking for confirmed. Yeah. So almost 140 million cases gonna happen. Okay. So that's how you can predict. Okay, this is the plotting. How many deaths gonna happen? Okay, like see for the death in right now, see 9 January it is predicted minimum 1.7 million, maximum 1.8, 1.92, almost touched. Just a difference of 1 lakh. Okay, and it's a very good. Recovered also same. Okay. So I'll give you the link to learn this. Okay, I've posted a video. See 49 million, 97 recovery, touched 49. Okay, my model is working great. And till April 16, 70 million recovery. Okay, or maximum it can be 86 also. Based on the previous trends. Okay, based on previous trends. Because my model has my model recognized the patterns and now it is predicting the future. Okay. So here we have come. Is it interesting, guys? Is it interesting? Like you can even predict the prices of Bitcoin, the prices of stock market, the price, the COVID cases. Is it interesting, guys? Ankit, do you want to say something? Like you have raised the hand. It seems to very interesting. If you have anything to say, then yes, you can unmute yourself. Yeah, yes. And more feedbacks. It seems to very interesting. Yes. One more thing, I'll give you link to my because see why my agenda is clear. Why I'm doing free sessions to just you can say promote myself. Okay, so I hope I don't end up with anything bad. My channel just posted today. Okay, COVID-19 data science. I am having this much subscriber, and this mask detection. I made one more video to differentiate between people having mask or not. Okay, so right now these are the analytics. Facial expressions recognition. This all comes under CNN. Okay, coronavirus recognition using chest X-ray images. Face recognition, even I have made a video. Okay, so you have everything to learn here. Okay, I'll give you the like face recognition using another method. Predicting which of your employee will quit your company. If you have a company, you can predict which of your employee will quit your company. Okay, so yeah, you have many things to learn here. I'll tell you more. Okay, so I'm going further and let's start with installing Python. So if any problem happens, ask me. Give me 1 minute. Okay. So Python. Just write in the Google Python download .org. You will land here python.org downloads. Don't click anywhere. Just wait. Today we are going to do Python installation and then Anaconda, Python and Anaconda. Okay. So just go to where you will need to go here. The most stable version which I have. No. Okay. Right now, see 3.91. But don't do this. Okay. This is just developed. The most stable which I have found is 3.76. Not much difference they are having. Okay. But in Python 3, you can download any version of 3.7, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.73, 3.75. It should be just 3.7. I'm just downloading 3.76. Okay, because I have found this version very useful. Just click on that and see for Mac and Windows and users. For Windows, you need to just download this. 86 or 64, whatever you have. 86 means 32-bit. Okay, like I'm having 64. So I'm just gonna click on this. Okay. How to know what Windows version you have? Anybody knows how? Like, because I don't know, of course. Like where to see control panel. Hey, where to see? Where to see? Where to see? Can anybody tell me?
My computers and then and then properties.
Properties, no? Okay.
Yeah, properties, and there you will find 64-bit.
Okay. If anybody don't know, okay, in my computer, this PC, I think. In my computer, just go to properties. Yeah. And 64-bit I am having. Okay. So anybody is having 32, you can just download this one. So I'm gonna an executable installer. Don't download this zip or web. Just download executable installer. Click on this and your downloadation will start. Okay. I'm gonna wait till everybody's like it's just 25 MB. I'm gonna wait. Let me know when everything. Yeah, everyone downloads. Okay. Can I ask just like one question? Please answer now. Why so much low number of people? Like low means you know now less number of people. Where are others? Just asking. Like can anyone tell me? I think nobody's having idea. All right. Okay, so download this and hey, whose mic is on? Unmute yourself. Okay. So those who have download, just let me know. Okay, I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes. Just go to 3.6 and then just download this executable installer. Okay, or this one, or for the Mac, not Macs. Link, I guess many are facing network issues because of many have joined. Yeah, but only 30, almost 30 were just joined earlier. Okay, so where are other 40? I can ask, like, you know. Because I'm told that almost 70 are registered. No, Pratibha, I will tell you when to download Anaconda. Just download Python right now. Because for Anaconda, Anaconda is having like around 2 GB size. Okay, so you need to have some extra data, and I believe most of people don't have much right now. For like, downloaded everyone. Done. Okay. Anybody left? Just let me know. See, Chetan, you joined again. Like you are missing many things. Okay, so please watch the recording after this. We are downloading Python. Okay, so done. Should I go ahead? Anybody left?
Sir, can you please repeat once again?
Okay, yeah, sure. From where?
What we have to download?
Python. See, just go to Google and write Python download. Okay, just write this and go to python.org. Okay, just click on python.org. Here you are here right now.
Yes, sir.
You are here now. Go down. Okay, you have this active Python release. You don't need to touch this. Looking for a specific release? Yes. Okay, this one. Now you need to download Python 3.7, not 3.8, not 3.9. Okay, because they are not stable. I have not used much. 3.7 I trust. And in 3.7 you can download any version. 3.7.1, 3.7.2, 3.7.6, 5, 4. Okay. So Python 3.7.6, just click on that. Okay, you are here. You are here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are here now. Okay. Now go down. You will get these files. Okay. Here, what version, Windows version you have? You have 64-bit or 32-bit? You have Windows or Mac OS? First of all, let me know. Hello. You have Windows or Mac OS? Yes, yes. Okay, so whatever version you have, okay. Oh, so I downloaded another by mistake. So if you have 64-bit, download executable installer, or if you have 32-bit, then this one in Windows. Okay. So now I'm moving ahead. Okay. Hitesh, if you have any question, you can unmute yourself. No.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Ask.
Sir, you will send a recording or I will record this?
No, no. Someone is recording. Okay, recording is going on. So, yeah, recording is
Okay.
going on. Okay, yeah.
Sir, you will send this?
No, but I think the host, like from your college, is doing this. So you will get recording. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now after this, okay, just open what I've downloaded there. I downloaded by install by mistake. Just open Python, okay, and you will get these two options. Click on customize installation, okay. Customize installation, okay. Don't touch anything. Just click on next. In customize installation, next, okay, and you just need to give the path like C or D Python 37. Erase the path whatever you have, or just give C in drive, okay, whatever drive you want to give, or D Python 37, so that you can access this very easily. Okay, Python 37, D this, put Python 37 and then this. And the Py launcher, okay, just and tick mark everyone, install for all users, this leave this, you don't need to do this, tick mark everything, okay, and just click on install. I've already installed, so I will not. Click on install, okay. Your installation will start. Let me know when you are done. Let me know when you're done. Hitesh, yes, say. Unmute yourself and you can ask him question. Everyone done? You will see the what you will see. You will see like this D. Under that you will see Python 37. Okay, and you will see this. You will not see this much folders. Okay, I have made this much folders. Okay, for my projects. But you will see like this Python. You will see this Python. Okay, it will not run like this. Okay, it will not run like this. Like, but just go to your Python folder wherever you install. I think C or D and Python 37. Just go to this Python file, not Python W. Okay, just Python. And here go. And just write print. Just write print double underscore. I am told that you know Python basics or like you're comfortable with Python. So I hope you know what underscore or this parenthesis. Okay. Print hello world and it will print hello world. Let me know how many people done printing hello world.
I have.
Okay. Chetan is also saying okay. Done. Yeah. Because okay, done. No. Anybody stuck? Because I'm gonna introduce you to IDLE, the basic IDE of Python. The basic IDE of Python. Okay. So I hope nobody stuck. If anybody, then ask me. Okay. Don't go your home or you're already in home. Don't have any doubt. Okay. You should not have any doubt. Ask me. So just write in the search IDLE. The basic IDE of Python. Start this. Here you go. Here you have two things. First of all, this shell where you can see the output, and go to this file, new file. This is where you need to write the code, untitled one. Okay, let's go to file in this new file. Okay, so this is where you need to write the code. Okay, so just write print hello world. Okay, and press F5 or run here, run module to run directly. Python shell is this shell. Okay, run module F5, click OK to save, and what to save. Okay, and hello.py. I'm just gonna hello or hello.py save. Okay, so see hello world. Now let me know how many people printed hello world in the shell. This is the basic idea of Python. The best ID is PyCharm or Visual Studio Editor. Okay, but we are going to work in Jupyter because making reports or doing data science projects in Jupyter is very easy. Okay, because see, to run programs, okay, you can't run like if you have write 100 line of code, you can't run separate the line of code. Okay, you need to run whole file. Okay, in this kind of ID, but in Jupyter you can run single line of code. Okay, so to test, so Jupyter is very good for testing. Okay, so done. I'm going ahead. Okay, let's install Anaconda. Python is installed. Okay, so just write one more thing, import sklearn, and it will not import. Just let me know what it will say. sklearn. I hope my spelling is right. No module, then job lib. Oh, job lib. Okay. I need to install a particular thing. Okay. But I think I'm gonna face this problem here also. SKLERN job lib. Yeah. Wait, don't write anything. Don't do anything. Let me do my job. Oops. Give me 1 second, guys. Yes, pip install. Or is it scikit-learn? Because both are same, but scikit-learn. I'm gonna tell you about like how to install this ML library. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Don't worry. Yeah, I was doing some crazy thing in the morning, so I uninstalled the ML package, the ML library. So just give me 1 second. Yeah, okay. So just now, right here, import sklearn. Just right here, import sklearn, and let me know what you got in the shell. Like I got nothing. Okay, means program has worked successfully. It has imported the whole library of sklearn. Just write this and let me know what you got. Nothing. Chetan, nothing. You got like me, nothing. Means you have you installed sklearn before? Because if you are getting
Yes, sir.
nothing. Okay. Anybody getting import error? You might be getting this import error or module not found basically. Module not found. Anybody getting module not found? Or sklearn not found? अरे किसी को तो मिल रहा होगा ना से सो गए लग रहा है so anybody getting this module not found error? सो गए क्या चेतन और अनिकेत?
Yes, sir.
Where are others? सो गया. Okay, so
Sir.
हाँ.
Excuse me. Sir, I have in class, but I have no laptop or system.
Okay, all right. You
So I
can.
will
All
leave
right,
the
all right.
class or practice.
No.
at home.
Don't leave the class because in
No,
real
sir,
time.
sir. Excuse me. I will see in the class or I will see in the recording also. Then I will practice at a home or
Yeah, sure.
as well as.
Yeah, I will give you. Acha, one more thing. I'll give you many free ebooks, which I am having like worth of thousands of rupees. So I'm going to provide you many resources also. Okay, like tutorials, free ebooks, many things.
Sir, when you will provide the books?
After this session, okay. Okay, let me go ahead. Anaconda installation.
Yes, sir.
How to write Anaconda 3 download? Anaconda 3 download 3. If you just write Anaconda download, na Anaconda download for Python, Anaconda download, it will download Anaconda 2, and Anaconda 2 is for Python 2, not for Python 3. Okay, so like let me just show you. Anaconda have many different versions. So we are going to download this, or like anaconda.com. You can just go for this. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
Sir, which requirement system for Linux? What is the
Sorry?
requirement for?
No,
Sir, what is the
nothing.
requirement for Linux?
Nothing. Nothing much. Okay.
Sir,
What
नॉर्मल जो विंडोज सॉफ्टवेयर जो विंडोज सिस्टम होते हैं उनमें लाइनेक्स एक्सेस हो जाता है?
नॉर्मल विंडोज सिस्टम में लाइनेक्स एक्सेस हो जाता है? ये मैं पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ भाई। मेरे को मतलब क्या बोल रहे हो?
नहीं सर, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ मैं आपसे।
पता नहीं भाई। हाँ, नॉर्मल विंडोज में कैसे एक्सेस होता है ये पता नहीं मेरे को।
सेम सिस्टम में लाइनेक्स बूट करने से हो जाएगा।
क्या? हेलो ब्रो।
एक सिस्टम में लाइनेक्स और विंडोज दोनों एक साथ चल सकते हैं।
अच्छा ऐसा बोल रहे तो फिर वो वर्चुअल बॉक्स होता है एक होता है वर्चुअल बॉक्स। ओके, इसको डाउनलोड कर लो।
हाँ,
ये
एक
वर्चुअल
वर्चुअल
बॉक्स
बॉक्स
होता
भी
है।
होता है
हाँ
और एक
हाँ,
बूट भी कर सकते हैं।
ये इसको डाउनलोड कर लो। ये आपका विंडोज के अंदर भी आपका लिनक्स चला देगा। ठीक है, ये आपका वर्चुअल बॉक्स होता है, एक और कंप्यूटर वर्चुअली। ओके, तो ये होता है।
ओके सर।
So just now go to Anaconda 3 download anaconda.com individual edition. Okay, your data science toolkit may download. You will just directly do so or directly go download. Anaconda installers 64-bit for this, 32-bit for this. I'm gonna click on is it for Python 3.8? Wait. I think it's for Python 3.8. I need to write for Anaconda 3 for Python 3, otherwise it will not support 3.7. Yeah. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Where I've seen. I think it will work. Okay. Okay. All right. It will work. No any issue. It will work. Okay. So even if it's Python 3.8, it will work. Okay. Even if it's Python 3.7. So 64-bit graphical installer. Just download this. Okay. It will start downloading. See, Anaconda 3 2020. It is downloading. Just download this. Pratibha. Yes, Pratibha. You can unmute yourself. You can ask me.
Yeah. Hi, good evening. The session is great. Actually, I had a question regarding the Anaconda stuff. Like earlier, before installing Anaconda, you told about installation of Python, right? 3.7. So, if we install Anaconda, along with that, even Python also comes along with the package.
Oh, you are asking this? No. We need to install Python separately.
Acha.
Okay. Because see, Anaconda just provides. See, if you just go na Anaconda Navigator after downloading, I'm going to. This is Anaconda Navigator. It just provide additional IDs, additional stuffs. Okay. Like see, it is opening. Okay. And like see, many times you just don't want to use Anaconda, right? For a simple thing, why to use Jupyter Notebook, right? So that's why just install Python. That's why just install Python. Okay. So like see, Jupyter Notebook it is providing. Okay. This RStudio, VS Code, Spider ID, one more powerful ID, Qt console. Okay. So it is providing many things. This is Orange 3. So yeah, after downloading, I'm gonna tell you. Just let me know when you finish downloading. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. So here you go. Install in the folder. How many people finish downloading? Let me know. I'm gonna move ahead. Just let me know when you're done. And like it's our last 20 minutes of the session, and we are almost done. So this Jupyter notebook can so open CMD pip install. Yes, it's like but let it be. Ishan, yeah, that's like a CMD command. So I'm going to tell you more about CMD using pip, like what is pip and all. We're going to install that machine learning library after this. Okay. Done. Okay. After this, I'm going to tell you how to install libraries or packages in Python environment. That is the basic one. Okay. You can, and any ID will work. Okay. But even if you use Visual Studio, this is Python environment, like local environment. And this is Anaconda environment. Environment, you know, na, they both are different environment. Okay. So I'm going to tell you about how to install libraries in Python environment. Okay, so if you use any ID other than Jupyter notebook, it will work here. Okay, because this is a local environment. There are two environments, Python and Conda. Okay, or Python and Anaconda. Okay, local environment and Anaconda environment. Okay, so uh, for local we can use pip command. Okay, pip command. And for Anaconda we can use pip also, and we can use Conda. There is one more thing called Conda. So you can use anything for pip, like for Anaconda environment. I'm gonna tell you. Okay, don't worry. So pip or Conda you can use, and you can use pip, and you can only use pip command in for local. Okay, Conda only for Anaconda. So you can use both. No difference. No difference. Okay, whatever works. Pip for local. I'm going to tell you how to install. We are going to install machine learning library. So everyone done? I'm going ahead. Okay. First of all, we are going to install libraries for local environment, and then we are going to install for Anaconda. But I hope everyone is done downloading. So just open this. Okay. Click on next. I agree. Just me. C uses Theoro Anaconda. It's all right. Okay. No need to change the path. Okay. No, you need to change the path. Click on next. Like this, see, because I have already installed, so it is not empty. That's why. Okay. Just click on next and install. Okay. Click on just directly open. Just directly open. Click on next every time. No need to do anything else. Next. I agree. Next. Next, and your downloadation installation will start. Okay. So. All right. So just install. Meanwhile, it is installing. Meanwhile, okay. Let's install libraries for Python. Okay. So here you can write in Python 4 plus 4. It will work. Okay. Oops. Or you can even write here in the shell just for testing. It just work as an interpreter. Okay. 8. Okay. But we need to work with machine learning libraries. So how to install libraries? There are lots of libraries in Python. How to install them? Okay. How to import them? This using import function, import scalar. Okay. So I've already installed, so no worry. How to install? See, just go to in your Python 37 folder. There is a folder called scripts. Before that, let me tell you, there is a two folder called library, lib, and libs. No need to go in libs, just go to lib. and under that you have site packages. lib, under that you have site packages. This is the packages library, and under that you will find many packages. You will not find much because I have installed them. Okay, Keras, the deep learning library which I was telling. Okay, sklearn, scikit-learn, the machine learning library. TensorFlow, the deep learning library. Okay, PyTorch, where is PyTorch? It will be here something else. Okay, Pandas. Okay, we are going to work with Pandas. So this is site packages. So before that, just go to scripts folder. Under Python 27, you have scripts folder. Under that, you can see you have pip and pip3. Okay. See, this is the file you need to call. This is the pip command. This is the file you need to call. Pip, whenever you will write pip, will do. Okay, so just copy this path, go to your command, simple command prompt, just give cd and then this. It's in my D drive, so I need to give something else. What? I need to first go to D drive here, D and this. There you go. It's now in D in my scripts folder. Okay, and now call the pip file here. If you just write pip, see it's in the scripts folder, right? Scripts folder. Now we are calling this pip file or pip3, whatever you want to call. Okay, let's call pip3. So this file will run, this pip3 file will run. Okay, see. So pip3 command, you need to give this kind of command. Okay, let me show you. Install command. It will install the packages. Okay, pip list will show you what it will show you. Pip list will show you installed packages, the list of installed packages. Okay, list of installed packages. Okay, so to install we need to use install command. Okay, we don't need to use download command, we just need to install. It will download and install. Okay, so pip3 install. First of all, install pandas. What is pandas? To work with data frame. Directly let's write as scikit-learn. Okay, it will install everything. LEARN. You can write sklearn also. They both are same. Okay, just a different name. But officially we write scikit-learn. LEARN. How do I know how to install? How do I know, right? How do I know? So just go to Google and write. Google is your best friend. How to install scikit-learn. See, in Jupyter, in Python, you are getting this. In Python or using pip. Using pip. You will get this. pypi.org. pypi or official sklearn documentation library. Using pip. See, they are already telling this. But pypi.org. Okay. In the official documentation website, you can also search. Or you can also search here. So here is the code you will get. Pip installed as scikit-learn. Copy this, paste in the command. Simple. Pip install or pip3 install. Okay. Pip3 for Python 3 you can say. Okay. So no need to worry. No need to worry. Okay. Or directly go for pip install. Okay. Pip versus pip3. Pip versus pip3. What if I installed using pip or pip3? If you install Python 3 pip, there will be an action name pip3. Even the pip and pip2 is used for. Okay, yeah. Pip3 is used for Python 3. Okay. So you have installed Python 3. So always write pip3. Okay. Installed sklearn, scikit-learn. Press enter. Press enter. I have already installed. Let me uninstall it. Okay. Let me uninstall it. Pip3 uninstall. Pip3 uninstall scikit-learn. Why? See, uninstalled. Permission denied. Okay, but it is installed. pip list, the list of C. So pip list or pip3 list. Okay, pip3 list. I don't have anything. I have TensorFlow. Okay, sklearn, scikit-learn I have already uninstalled, so there is no scikit-learn. Let me just pip3 scikit-learn, press enter, and collecting scikit-learn. See, it is downloading. So you don't need to write pip3 download as scikit-learn. You just need to install. You just need to write pip3 install, and it will download and install by itself. Okay. Successfully installed scikit-learn 0.24. See, this one we were saying, right? 0.24. So official latest version it will install. How to install a particular version? Like this, equals to 0.2, like 2 like this. Okay, so it's a different matter. So now pip list, again check pip list or pip3 list, whatever. So now you will find scikit-learn 0.24, or you can also write pip3 list. Okay, so no worries. See, this is the packages, all the packages I have installed, and it's the version. Okay, so let me now know how many people are able to find scikit-learn in their pip3 list or pip list. Let me know now. How many people done installing scikit-learn? How many people are able to find scikit-learn in their pip list? Done. Okay, Ramakrishna is saying done, and then more. I'm gonna wait for 2 minutes. Done. Okay, good. Most of the work are done for us. And let me know how many people done Anaconda installing. Anaconda installation done. Anaconda installation done. So let me know. Sorry. Yeah, done. Okay, so both are done. So we can tomorrow we can directly start our ML journey. Okay, so last few things is see, just open your IDLE and write import, or this you can even directly write in the shell also. But what happens in the shell? Shell is just an interpreter. Okay, it works just a line by line. Okay, this main file you need to write. So import sklearn, just write import sklearn, run it, and you will see no error. You will see like this means installation has been finished. Okay, so now in the Jupyter notebook, just go to here, just go to see, as you have installed Anaconda Navigator, you can click here, or you can click here and you can start Jupyter notebook from here, or you can directly write Jupyter here and it will get start. Okay, you can start both ways. So let's open this. I was already running. Okay, see, here you will see upload a new option. In chat, no, upload a new option. So new Python 3 you will see. Okay, here you will write import sklearn. Let me know how many people got module not find error. See, it has installed success. See, it has executed successfully, no error, right? Earlier, see, no error. Otherwise, it will say error. Okay. Import TensorFlow. See, oops. Import Keras. When it is like a star, it means it means it is running. Okay, but how many? Let's see. How many people got module not found error? Because we are going to install SK Learning Jupyter also. How many people got module not found error in Jupyter? Let's say SK Learn. Let me write like this. Module not found error. You will get. Anyone got? Nobody got? Okay, so now to install libraries, you have two things in Jupyter. Either you can go to Anaconda, not navigator, but prompt. There is two command prompt in your computer right now. The local one, CMD command prompt, and the Anaconda one, Anaconda environment. Okay, I told you na, local environment, Anaconda environment. Okay, so to install, to download anything, we did using command prompt. Okay, to download in local environment. To download in Anaconda environment, either you can use Anaconda prompt. Okay, you don't need to go to any script folder here. It will directly open where you have installed Anaconda. Okay, here in local one, you need to go to in the script folder. Okay, so or you can use Jupyter also. Jupyter itself, I'm going to tell you. Just right here, pip install or pip3 install or conda install. You can also write. Okay, both ways you can write conda install. Both ways, no difference is there. Okay, pip3 install or conda install scikit learn. Both ways you can. Conda installed another way, pip3 installed another way, but both install. Okay, solving environment issue. So it's like see, Anaconda just install different way, pip3 install or pip install different way, but they both install. So the last thing for today, like you can install using Anaconda prompt also. Just write Y. Okay, it is installing using Anaconda. Sorry, using Conda. Okay. What failed? Conda list. You can also write Conda list. What failed? Why it is saying failed? I hope it downloaded. Conda list. I have run. How many people are able to see SK Learn or Scikit Learn? SK Learn or Scikit Learn, basically this in Conda prompt. I hope everybody. Okay, and last thing, you can install using Jupyter Notebook itself. Just write exclamation mark. Okay, so that we can tell this Jupyter Notebook that this is a command. Okay, and then write pip3 install scikit learn. So in the Jupyter Notebook, you can install using Anaconda prompt also, because Jupyter is in under Anaconda environment, right? Jupyter is under Anaconda environment. Okay, so you can use Anaconda prompt also, or you can use Jupyter Notebook itself. Okay, this by exclamation mark, and it will say requirement already satisfied. Okay, Yeah, and you just need to import that. So import and it will run. And to install in local environment, you need to use command prompt. That's also our Python, Anaconda, and what? And everything and machine learning packages have been installed. So guys, you can unmute yourself if you have any question. 5 minutes more I'm gonna take. How was the session? The first 1 hour, which I told you about from the beginning to the latest technology, where we are right now, like 2 years journey you need to take. And to this, of course, this is just a Python basic installation. How was the session, guys? I hope I added some value in your career.
The session was great, sir.
Is it? Okay. Anybody
I
else
found
like
very
any?
useful
Great.
topics.
Okay. Was it valuable,
Great
right?
session.
Okay. Any like question or anything?
Sir,
None
this
to what?
session is very good for everyone.
Yes. So tomorrow, from tomorrow, we will learn. I will try to actually tell you the theory, some maths, and like at least 4 different machine learning algorithms. Okay. So meet me tomorrow, and like it's as I said, this is a head start training. Like if you have ever played the game called Subway Surfers, right? In between, it was giving head start, or at the end, or anything. Head start was in Subway Surfers. Yeah. So it's like
Yes, head start was in
jumping.
service.
Yeah. It's like a jumping. So from initially, like it's like a jumping session, 3 day, just taking a major jump. So you can just directly continue many things. Okay. So I told you about very beginning things, and tomorrow we are going to deal with some machine learning algorithms, and in between you will learn many things. Okay. So okay, then see you tomorrow. I hope the session was good. So and you will get the recording. Okay. So Aniket, I think who was the host? Aniket, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So how was the session, Aniket? How was the session?
it was really awesome.
This was good, no? Okay. So please after this just share the recording. Okay, recording
Yeah.
link. One more thing, guys. I'm going to give you that COVID-19 prediction link, okay, of my YouTube channel. You can learn that, and of course, please do subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram. You can DM me anytime. I'll help. Okay. I have many more things to give you right now, so just be with me. Okay.
Yeah, the link to his channel is in the chat box.
Yeah. Okay then. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.